What's going on? This is SDG Physics. My name is Tosh Dalday, and I like Batman. So check this out. We want to sketch the graph of the quadratic function by first finding the zeros. Ooh, this is kind of fun. All right, we got f of x is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 3. All right, finding the zeros. What can I say about this function to begin with? Well, I can definitely say at least it's a parabola that is kind of shifted, or not shifted, but it's pointing upwards. It's a happy parabola because there's a positive there, and it is dropped down by 3. So I'm assuming that the parabola is going to look something like this. I'm not 100% sure. Let's check it out. To find the zeros, I would simply factor it. So I've got an x here, an x here, and then you take the, let's see, I want to make -3, right? So I'm going to do negative, positive, and I want to put the negative on the 3 and the positive on the 1. Does that work? Yeah, -3 times 1 is -3. -3 plus 1 is -2. I'm good. All right. So if that's equal to 0, because that's what we mean by finding the zeros, all you would do at this point is you would kind of say, all right, x equals 3 and x equals -1. If I want to find the zeros, that's when x is equal to 3, because if I plug in x equal to 3 here, that would be 3 minus 3, which would be 0. It doesn't matter what that is, because if that's 0, then the whole thing is 0. If x were equal to -1, that would make that second thing 0, so it doesn't matter what the first thing is, because the whole thing is going to be 0 as well. So really my graph actually looks like is it crosses at 1, 2, 3, and -1. And I would say it looks something like this. Happy parabola crosses at 3 and -1. We're good. Where does it actually hit the vertex? Well, it's between 3 and 1. So here's -1. Or it's between 3 and -1. So here's -1, here's +3. So right in between is over here at +1, and we're good. Shoots, bro. Up out.